I'm George, VP Product Strategy, and now Head of Integrations. I just wanted to start by saying thank you to you, our most important merchants. You've been such a big part of Recharge's success as Chhatree looks back so many years, and we'll continue to partner with you. Let's build the future of e-commerce together. And speaking of that future, when I look at the things that you guys have built, it completely blows me away. How you guys have taken the Recharge solution, up-leveled it, and really taken it to places we never could have even imagined when we first built it. So thank you so much. Not only are these experiences beautiful, they're functional, but most importantly, they're meeting the core business needs that you guys have laid out. So as Jason and Chhatree mentioned earlier, we're scaling out our product and engineering teams like crazy, and we've never been more committed to your success. And one of the ways that we're going to do this is to supercharge the third-party integrations. Because at the end of the day, success is really about Recharge plus your mission-critical third-party integrations, right? And to that end, I'm excited to announce for the first time a brand new feature on Recharge called Quick Actions. Now, Quick Actions are standard URLs that when clicked perform an action on an account. This is an example of a quick action. It's a standard URL, and there are only 3 things that you need to customize. First, the customer ID. It's actually the customer portal for security, the customer hash for security reasons. Second is the action that you want to perform. In this case, it's reactivating a subscription. And third, the subscription ID that you pass. What more can you do than reactivating a subscription? Well, available now, we have a long list of things that you could do. Skip next order, swap current subscription, add a one-time product to the next order, order now, apply discount, view any portal page, and soon we'll have the ability to stack actions like reactivate plus apply a discount code, reactivate plus add a one-time product. And as you could see, we've architected this in a way where we could very quickly add new things to this. So basically, we've created a set of tools and foundational things that you guys could take and put in the hands of the geniuses out here. There's nothing we can't do without these things. So I'm really excited about what you guys could do with these tools. For security reasons, we added an authentication layer to prove that the person requesting is the account owner. And we've used standard industry standard 6-digit passcode authentication. So it's a very familiar flow. We ask the customer where to send that code, either a phone number or an email. We ask them to type that code in. Once we authenticate, we'll process the action and we'll drop them into their customer portal. The natural use case for this, as everyone knows, is Klaviyo. Quick Actions will now allow what was never before possible inside of Klaviyo, which is bringing powerful actions directly into emails and texts. Klaviyo was already extremely powerful, but now even more so because of higher conversion into things that matter for your customers and also for your business. So let's look at a few Klaviyo actions, right? The most important ones pertinent to subscriptions are when a subscription is created, when a subscription is canceled, or when an upcoming order is coming. So when a subscription is created, you could send a welcome email that gives them the opportunity to maybe upgrade their subscription, maybe add a one-time product, or maybe view any page in their customer portal. Subscription canceled, goes without saying. Reactivation links, opportunities to really get that subscription back and win that subscription back. And then of course, the upcoming order trigger in Klaviyo, so important. To me, the most important trigger. On a monthly basis, this email could go out and do a variety of things, including adding a one-time product. The order's coming anyway, the box is coming anyway. Why not add this, as Jason talked about earlier, to that box? Let's look at a quick demo, right? So yeah, so I have this subscription. It's for my kids' clothing. I love the subscription, but you know what? As a lot of us are doing right now, I got to do some financial house cleaning. So the subscription had to go. I didn't want to cancel it, but it did. But guess what? I realized that my 7-year-old daughter is going back to school and she's like, I need to look good on Zoom. I'm like, 7 years old, you need to look, okay, I need to reactivate the subscription. But how am I going to do that, right? But fortunately, guess what? I get this email from the brand that says, we'll miss you the moment I canceled that subscription. I click into that and I'm like, they're like, are you sure you wanted to leave? I'm like, no, actually, I didn't want to leave. I miss you too. And wait, there's a link to instantly reactivate my subscription right in that Klaviyo email. Oh my gosh, I clicked that and I see this. I'm like, oh, okay, I know about this 6-digit thing. I'm not technical, but I've done this before. My bank makes me do this all the time. I got this. I get that text. I type in that number. And as I'm clicking submit here, I'm now worried about, oh my gosh, navigating through all these links. I'm sort of in a rush right now. Wait a second, your subscription is back. And it's exactly the settings that it was when I canceled it. This is slightly an exaggeration, but it shows the power of using something like Klaviyo to send out emails that include quick actions. And so you could have other things like your welcome email, where we allow you could actually allow adding a one-time product or viewing your subscription, the upcoming order email, viewing any page on your customer portal, adding a one-time product, or going out of town, skip my order. Yes, exactly. How did you know that that's what I wanted to do, right? So basically, these tools, we're creating these tools so that you can create that relationship with your customer and make them feel like you know them and give them the transparency and the actions available that they need when they need it. A few takeaways from this. It goes without saying that this opens up powerful ways to reduce churn and increase AOV. These are only a few different examples, but like I said, you guys are creative geniuses. I'm so excited about how you could use these things to leverage these tools to meet your business objectives. 2, a more frictionless experience. We're bringing the control and the actions closer to the customer, right in front of them in their email or their SMS. Speaking of SMS, we can leverage this higher converting communications channel. Everybody's talking about SMS and e-commerce right now, and we're so excited to be investing in that future communications channel. And finally, you could use it to complement your customer portal offering. Jason just talked about this incredible future, or the now, of the customer portal and the theme engines. But I believe that there's a time and place for a deep immersive experience where there's full transparency and we're dropping that customer into that experience, but also an experience where it's a very frictionless, lightweight experience where they don't have time. And so we see this as a way of rounding out the tools that we're offering to you, so that we're really investing in this notion, this idea of controlling the post-purchase experience that you have with those users. Because as we all know, the initial purchase of the subscription is just the beginning. And after that, that's where we're really innovating and what we're really excited about for the future. We're releasing this in beta today. Early access is available today to tinker with and start testing. So contact your account manager and let's get started on this. Quick actions, powerful recharge actions, no coding required. Thank you so much again. And I promise you the best is yet to come.